Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to avoid tolls in Waze. If you want to plan a route without toll roads and avoid paying extra fees during your trip, you can change this setting directly in the app. First, open the Waze app on your phone and tap the menu icon. Next, select Settings, then tap Navigation. Look for the option called Avoid Toll Roads and turn it on. After enabling this option, Waze will try to avoid toll roads when planning your routes. To check your settings, return to the map and enter your destination. Waze will then calculate a route based on your preferences. Keep in mind that avoiding toll roads may make your trip longer or increase your travel time. You can always return to the same setting and turn the option off whenever you want to use toll roads again. And that's how to avoid tolls in Waze. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other helpful tutorials.